Welcome to the maintenance video of the UNL1 pressure regulating valve. Tools required. Disassembly of the UNL1 pressure regulating valve. First of all, using the spanner, unscrew 4 M16 by 130 HT hex bolts and separate top cover from spring housing. Take spring housing and take out disc springs, spring button and thrust ball bearing from spring housing. This is the cylinder assembly. To remove cylinder assembly, take a nylon rod and rubber hammer and push cylinder assembly from the back side to take it out from the main body. Turn the main body to take out the seat from the main body. With the help of a nylon rod and rubber hammer, pushes the seat and takes out the seat. Using spanner, unscrew the lock nut. And take lower spring button, piston regulating and regulating rod manually. Take the screwdriver and pull out the palm gasket, high pressure seal and helical spring. Also take out the other palm gasket and high pressure seal from a cylinder. Inspection of pressure regulating valve parts. Inspect the inner surface of the main body for any damage or scratches. Also inspect both sides flat surface of the seat for any wear or scratches. After that, check the periphery, O-rings and an inner surface of cylinder for any wear. Check the palm gasket and high pressure seal for any damage. Inspect the main taper surface and periphery of regulating rod for any wear or scratches. Then check thrust ball bearing and spring button for any damage. Reassembly of the UNL1 pressure regulating valve. First of all, take the cylinder and place the palm gasket into it. Then put a high pressure seal facing a flat surface towards the palm gasket. After that, install regulating rod from the back side into the cylinder that laid the pump gasket and high pressure seal upward. Then put helical spring, high pressure seal and pump gasket through regulating rod and pressure it to fix it in the proper position. Place piston regulating on high pressure seal and press it. Now, put the lower spring button on the piston regulating and screw the lock nut. Tight the lock nut using the spanner. Now insert seat in main body such that its taper inner surface will face upward. And push it using nylon rod and plastic hammer to fix it on its proper position. Insert cylinder assembly into the main body facing nut lock upward. Push it using a nylon rod and plastic hammer to fix it properly into the main body. Now, put spring housing such that its flat top surface will face upward. Now install 2 disc springs facing concave side upward and 2 disc springs facing convex side upward respectively into spring housing. Repeat the series and parallel combination of disc springs 2 times. Now put thrust ball bearing parts on disc spring and then place spring button on it. Finally, put the top cover assembly on spring housing and screw all 4 HT hex bolt. Tight hex bolt using spanner in a diagonal manner.